What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy Geek. So the question is that let me read you the question. Should tech company buy lunch for the employee? Should the tech company buy the lunch for the employee? I mean, definitely. You know what the answer is going to be? Yes. Here's why. I used to work as accountant back in the days. I mean, my employer buy me some lunch, some really good lunch. I mean, so after having lunch free from my employer, I was like more willing to put some extra work. I mean, simple. When you give something to someone, it seems that they are required to pay you back. So yeah, if you buy the lunch, I mean, how much lunch costs? Like $5. $5 for lunch. $5, and you're going to get like I mean $20, $30, I mean worth of the return on investment, even maybe $100. I mean, if you are in like a Silicon Valley or something like that, you are building some kind of super crappy app. Okay, in Silicon Valley you're not going to buy a $5 lunch. I know that you're going to spend like $10 minimum, $20. Again, if I am the employer, I mean with $5 I can maybe buy McDonald, I mean set or something like that. Yeah, definitely. Yes, you should buy. So it was me, Jimmy. Make sure to subscribe and buy. Bye, Nera.